So hello everyone, today we will understand our new topic, that is resources. So let's understand what is resources. So anything which can satisfy our need is a resource. Example, water, electricity, rickshaw and vegetables. Next, moving on to the utility. Utility or usability is what make an object or a substance a resource. Moving on to the value. Value, as we already know, value means worth. A thing or an object become a resource only when their value is identified. So there are two factors which can change substance into a resource. So time and technology are the two important factors which can change a substance into a resource. So now we will understand there are different types of resources like natural resources, human-made resources and human resources. So first understand what is natural resources. Natural resources are the resources which we get directly from the nature but without any modification. Example, water, air, salt and mineral. So now we will understand the natural resources classification in a detail. So first is based on development and use. So in this actual resources are the resources whose amount we already know. Example, coal in Germany. Next, potential resources. These are the resources whose amount we don't know. Example, uranium in Ladakh. Next, based on their origin, biotic. So biotic are the living organisms. Example, oyster, blue crab, zooplankton, phytoplankton and jellyfish. Next, abiotic resources. These are the non-living things. Example, sunlight, temperature, natural environment, humidity and soil. Next, moving on to the renewable and non-renewable resources. So first let's understand what is renewable resources. These are the resources which can get renewed. Example, solar, wind, forest. Moving on to the non-renewable resources. These are the resources which are limited in stock. Example, coal, petroleum and natural gas. So next is based on their distribution. First is ubiquitous resource. Let's understand what is ubiquitous resource. So these are the resources which we found everywhere. Example, air, soil and water. Next, moving on to the localized resource. These are the resources which we found in a particular place. Example, copper, iron. Now we will see human resources. Human resources are the resources when the human itself become a resource. Next, moving on to the man-made resources. These are the resources which are created by a man. Example, building, bridge, road, machine, technology and vehicles. So next, at the end, student, we will see how we can conserve resources. So first is we should use resources carefully and give them time to get renewed. Second is we should balance the need to the resources and also conserve them for their future. Third, damage to the natural environment should be minimized. So in the next class, we will start our new chapter.